Hi, everyone, and welcome to the latest episode of the DiGi Files. Today we have with us Ahmad Patan, Chief Strategy Officer with Sandstorm Digital. Hi, Ahmad.
Hi, Tala. Thank you for having me.
Great to have you. So, Google rolled out the latest core algorithm updates on December 3rd, if I'm not mistaken. There have been a lot of chatter on the latest update. Many are unhappy. Ahmad, can you just give us a bit more info on this?
Yeah, thanks, Tala. Yes, so Google rolled out their third update this year. It was launched on the 3rd of December, and the rolling out is kind of finalized on the 17th. There's a lot of chatter online, people unhappy, happy, but every core rollout would have different opinions based on if you did well or not. So
Yeah. Would you be able to give us some insights?
yeah, so the basic premise has always been the same, and it will always be the same. It's all about good quality content. And Google has officially said that there's nothing really you can do except keep working on the quality of the content, the depth, the breadth, and how you kind of group those content groups together.
Mm-hmm. So, can you give us some tips on how to rank better with this update?
Yeah, so there's quite a bit of tips that you can give, and there's a lot of, it's not one thing or another, but I think one thing that I think a lot of website owners could do right away, if you have a blog or are in the business of writing content around your business, look at all of your old blog posts and refresh them. If you've written something for 2020, now we're coming into 2021, look at the content. Is there anything that you can update? As simple as going into the same blog, updating it for 2021. That simple tip could probably help you improve your rankings, generally speaking. So
that's really great advice. And like, I know our motto with Sandstorm Digital is, content is king, always provide good quality content. Thank you, Ahmad. And it's close to the end of the year now. So we wish everyone a happy and brighter 2021 and happy holidays to everyone as well.
thank you, Tala, and happy holidays to you. And we'll see you in the new year.
Bye, everyone.